Hello there and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we get the users, how can we add the users, and how can we remove the users from SharePoint Online site group using PnP PowerShell. So let's get started. Now we are in the Visual Studio Code, and first let us connect to the site that we want to work with. So for that, connect PnP Online. We will provide the URL. We will be working on sales site, and we will say credentials, get credential. Okay, and what we will do is we will store this connection into the connection variable. Okay, now let's take a look at the group membership. Hit the gear icon, click on site permissions, click on advanced site permissions, and we have three groups. Let's go ahead and check what do we have inside group. So in the site group, it's only me. In the owners, in the visitors, we do not have anybody, and in the members also we do not have anybody. Okay, now for an instance, in the user interface, if you would like to add the users to a group, you would go to the group, you will click on new and then add the users, and then you will find the user and add them to the group. So for an example, if I select for another user, Adele Vance, I can select the user, I can send the notification and click on share. By doing this, I'm adding a user into the visitors group, so the users get the read-only access or the view access. Let's go ahead and remove the users for now. We will do this using PnP PowerShell. Alright, so now we are clear on the group side. Let's go back. Okay, so first let's declare a variable. Let's call it as the owner group, and let us get the owner group. So we will say get PnP group, and we would like to get the associated owner group. Okay, now we have the group here, so we need to add the member to the owners group. So to do that, we will use add PnP group member. So we will specify the login name, okay, which is this user, and we will also be using the identity, which is nothing but the owners group. Okay, let's add one more user into the owners group. So now we have another user to the owners group. Now let's get the members group. We'll say members group, get PnP group, and associated member group. Okay, and let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go ahead and add it, and let's add a new user to the members group. And let's just write a message, host users led to the groups successfully. Okay, and we'll give a color green. Okay, we are good to execute the script now. Let's go ahead and hit run. Let's pass the username, and it should connect to the site and add the members to the group. Okay, we got the message back, users added to the group successfully. So let's go back and check on the SharePoint site groups. Okay, we are here on the owners group. Let's go ahead and refresh, and we can see two owners, Adele and Alex, being added already in the site owners now. And if you click on the members, you can expect one member added to the members group, which is Tiago. Okay, so this is how we can add the members to the group. Now let's go ahead and check how can we get those members from the group using PnP PowerShell. Okay, to do that, let's go ahead and comment this out for now. Okay, now to get the members from a group, you will say get PnP group member. You will provide a group, and then simply we will provide the group name, the sales team site owners. Okay, so let's go ahead and execute this. We'll pass on the credentials, and it should get the users from the owners group. As you can see, we got the users from the owners group as well. Now let us say we want to remove a user or a users from the particular group. How can we achieve that? Let's take a look at that. Well, in that case, simply we will say remove PnP group member. We will provide the login name that we would like to remove, and then group from which we want to remove. So we will remove a user from the owners group. Okay, so let's copy Adele's ID. Let's put it over here. Let's execute this, put in the credentials. Okay, and this should first get the member, since we have that line not commented, and then a member should be removed from the site owners. Adele should be removed. Okay, so let's go back and check the site. We are in the team site owners. Let's refresh, and we should now only see Alex. Okay, so I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you use PnP PowerShell to add the users, to get the users, and remove the users from a SharePoint Online site group. I thank you for watching the video.